They said I'd die, maybe they were right. 'Cause before you every morning felt like night. Heart made of ice, eyes tired of the fight. Then you walked in and suddenly the stars look bright. I was lost in the snow, moving slow all alone. Had a heart made of stone, no place felt like home. Every call on my phone, I would leave on my own. Every night felt so long, like the world had moved on. I kept carrying pain that I never would show. Kept on hiding the rain, I was starting to grow. Everybody saw smiles, nobody saw the storm. Nobody knew how cold I could feel when I'm warm. I was chasing a life that I couldn't define, trying hard to be okay, one day at a time. Then your name showed up and the timing was strange. Funny how one person can make everything change. And I know life still gets hard sometimes, but when your voice hits my phone, the darkness fades from my mind. They said you'd die, I almost thought it was true. Then life got a little brighter the moment I met you. No gold, no diamonds, no sky painted blue could ever mean more than a random moment with you. And when the cold winds rise and the whole world feels cruel, I remember your smile and suddenly I'm cool. Now I look at that picture lying there in the snow, and I see somebody that I barely even know. A kid trying to fight every battle alone, building walls around pain, turning scars into stone. I remember those nights, head down, staring at stars, thinking maybe some people are just born with these scars. Maybe happiness live in a place I won't find. Maybe peace is a thing that was never designed for a soul like mine. But I was wrong, 'cause your laugh hit my heart like the words of a song. Now the nights feel shorter, now the days move fast. For the first time in years, I don't live in the past. And I know nothing in life is perfect, but every bad day feels smaller whenever you're in it. And they said you'd die, I almost thought it was true. Then life got a little brighter the moment I met you. No gold, no diamonds, no sky painted blue could ever mean more than a random moment with you. And when the cold winds rise and the whole world feels cruel, I remember your smile and suddenly I'm cool. Yeah, maybe love isn't fireworks, maybe it doesn't arrive with the bright flashing light. Maybe it's simpler, maybe it's hearing one voice and feeling alright. Maybe it's laughing harder, maybe it's sleeping better. Maybe it's seeing tomorrow and actually wanting forever. Maybe it's thinking of someone and smiling for no reason at all. Maybe it's finding one person who makes every fear feel small. They said you'd die, maybe part of me did. The lonely part, the broken part, the one that wanted to quit. Because now when snow falls, I don't feel so alone. I know there's somebody out there who somehow feels like home. No treasure, no kingdom, no victory screening view could ever make me happier than spending a day with you. And if tomorrow gets darker, if the clouds hide the blue, I'll still be smiling, 'cause I'll be thinking of you. Thinking of you. Screen still says you died. Maybe an old version of me did, the one that forgot how to hope, the one that forgot how to dream, the one that forgot how to smile. Because after all those cold nights, after all those silent fights, I didn't respond, I found you.